If you're considering BigRock for your web hosting needs, here are 12 things you should know before making your final decision. There are plenty of hosting options out there, but BigRock is a solid choice for many, and we're going to break down why, so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. First off, BigRock offers a wide range of services, from shared hosting to VPS and dedicated hosting. They cater to businesses of all sizes, but it's important to know that their most basic shared hosting plans might not be as feature-rich as what competitors like Bluehost or SiteGround offer. Next thing, BigRock provides an easy-to-use interface for managing your website. The cPanel is intuitive, and you can set up your site quickly. But if you're someone who values advanced customization, you might find its options a bit limiting compared to the flexibility offered by other providers like HostGator or A2 Hosting. The third thing to know is BigRock's customer support. While they offer 24/7 support through phone, chat, and email, reviews have been mixed. Some customers report quick and helpful responses, while others mention long wait times. This is something to consider, especially when compared to the more consistently praised customer service of companies like SiteGround. Now, let's talk about performance. BigRock's uptime is generally solid, with most users reporting good reliability. However, it's worth noting that while they claim a 99.9% uptime guarantee, some competitors like Bluehost offer similar promises with more consistent results in real-world performance. You'll want to ensure that your hosting plan matches the needs of your website, especially if uptime is critical. The fifth thing to keep in mind is pricing. BigRock is known for offering affordable plans, especially if you're just starting out. However, their renewal rates can be significantly higher. Many web hosts, including HostGator, offer more transparent pricing structures without such a steep increase after the first term. The sixth thing to know is their website builder. BigRock includes a free website builder with most plans, but it's basic compared to the drag and drop functionality you'll get with competitors like Wix or Squarespace. If you want more design flexibility, you may want to look elsewhere, especially if you're not planning to use WordPress. Next thing, BigRock includes free email accounts with their hosting plans, which is a great bonus. But keep in mind that their email services aren't as robust as those from competitors like Google Workspace or Office 365. If you need a full suite of Office tools or advanced email features, you might want to consider those options. The eighth thing is the speed of BigRock's hosting. Overall, it's decent, but it doesn't offer the same level of speed optimization that services like SiteGround or A2 Hosting provide. So, if you're running a high-traffic website, speed could become an issue. Next, BigRock offers scalability. If you start with a shared hosting plan, you can easily upgrade to VPS or dedicated hosting as your website grows. However, their higher tier plans are more expensive than other providers like HostGator, which might offer better value for similar services. The 10th thing to keep in mind is the security features. BigRock offers free SSL certificates with most of their plans, which is a nice perk. But when compared to other services, they don't offer as many advanced security options out of the box. If you're looking for more robust protections, you may want to consider alternatives. The 11th thing to note is their domain registration services. BigRock offers domain registration with your hosting plan, but their pricing is a bit higher than other domain registrars like Namecheap. This could add up over time if you're purchasing multiple domains. Lastly, while BigRock is a good choice for basic hosting needs, their extra features, like backup services and additional storage, come at a cost. Some competitors include these features in their basic plans, making them a better deal if you need more than just basic hosting. In conclusion, BigRock is a reliable and cost-effective option for those who need straightforward web hosting. But if you're looking for a more feature-packed, flexible, and reliable solution, we recommend checking out our top-rated hosting provider. They offer a free trial, so you can test it out risk-free before committing.